I used to work as an electrician in nuclear power, so when I look at a heat pump, I am not just seeing a white box. I am seeing a critical piece of power distribution and thermal transfer machinery. Today, we are pitting two heavy hitters in the ultimate category against each other: the Liberty GSZV9 and the Trane XV20i. Both are ducted split heat pumps designed for high-end performance. But as you will see, one of them builds a much stronger case for your wallet and your peace of mind. Let us start with the cabinet and coil protection, because in the field, the environment is your unit's worst enemy. The Liberty GSZV9 comes with a louvered coil guard. That is a solid steel barrier that keeps hail weed whackers and neighborhood kids from flattening those delicate aluminum fins. On the other side, the Trane XV20i utilizes a louvered coil design as well. Both units are built like tanks to ensure airflow isn't restricted by physical damage over time. The Trane XV20i is an efficiency monster with an HSPF2 of 9. It uses a variable speed compressor and a variable speed condenser fan. This means it does not just kick on at 100% power, it ramps up slowly, which is much easier on your home's electrical panel and keeps your lights from flickering. The Liberty GSZV9 holds its own with an HSPF2 of 8.5. It also features a variable speed compressor and condenser fan, giving you that same smooth, modulated delivery of heating and cooling without the constant cycling of a basic unit. For a 3-ton Trane XV20i, you are looking at roughly $11,675 for the equipment alone, with total installed prices often climbing between $14,000 and $18,000 depending on your region and ductwork. Liberty is positioned as a high-value premium brand. The GSZV9 is available as a complete variable speed system for around $8,458, with installed prices typically landing between $11,000 and $15,000. You are paying a significant brand tax for the Trane name, even though the core technology is very similar. Before we crown a winner, remember, a high-efficiency system is only as good as its maintenance. Keep those filters changed and the outdoor coils clear of debris, or all that fancy variable speed tech will work itself to death trying to overcome the restriction. The warranty battle is where the rubber meets the road. Trane offers a 10-year limited warranty on parts and a 12-year warranty on the compressor. That is respectable, but Liberty absolutely swings for the fences. The Liberty GSZV9 comes with a 10-year unit replacement warranty, a lifetime compressor warranty, and a 10-year parts warranty. If that compressor fails, Liberty does not just give you a new part, they stand behind the whole machine for the long haul. The verdict? I am going with the Liberty GSZV9. While Trane has slightly higher efficiency on paper, the Liberty gives you identical louvered protection and nearly the same variable speed performance for thousands of dollars less. But the real clincher is that lifetime compressor warranty and the 10-year unit replacement guarantee. In the HVAC world, a manufacturer that bets on their equipment for a lifetime is the one I want in my backyard. Shop like a pro by checking out the HVAC4beginners.com ratings tool to see how these models stack up against other brands.